Hi there, Jimmy here from Onsite, bringing you another help video. In this video, we're going to go through setting up a team in Onsite. So first of all, jumping into the web portal and navigating to community and then internal, making sure that everyone you're going to need in your team is in this list. If they're not, just go invite, pop in their details and send them an invite. So once you've done that, along the top here, you've got a Teams option. So from here, I can go add team and give it a name, maybe add a picture for it if I really wanted to. And so this is my team. I can then go add to team and I can select people from my company. So there we go, got 3 people in there now. If I'm wanting to associate this team to specific properties, I can also then add properties. And then jumping along to the settings here, I can then choose what level of access and notifications this particular team gets. So this basically says that when these 3 staff check into these 3 particular properties, they'll receive check-in, check-out notifications of other people coming and going while they're in there. As soon as they check out, they won't receive any more. But maybe wanting them to know what's going on the property as it happens, not having to rely on them being checked in at the time. So then you can make them a property admin. A property admin will have the access to do what we're doing now, as well as making changes to the property, generating reports, and they also receive notifications when something gets reported on the property and when people check in and check out. I can also turn off the check-in, check-out notifications. So maybe I just want them having that access and being aware when something's getting reported. And then lastly, we have this team leader side of things. So if you use the lone worker side of Onsite, so Onsite Teams, you will have a set number of subscriptions for a professional license. And then the team leader here determines who receives the alerts and the overdue calls when the staff haven't checked out when they're expected to. So I can set a couple of team leaders in here. And then I can set the call order as to who gets the overdue calls if the staff member doesn't pick up. At the moment, I've only got one option in here, and that's because if I jump back here, these 2 users actually haven't picked up the invite that I've sent them. Once they have, you'll be able to change the calling order accordingly. If I'm not happy with the team or I need to remove it, I can just jump in here, back to the team screen, and just go remove. As easy as that. So some companies in Onsite break down their teams by whomever's managing a group of properties, or it could be broken down geographically. So maybe everyone from this particular region is in this team and everyone from another region is in that team. Whatever suits your company best, you can create the team accordingly. So that is setting up your team in Onsite. Thanks.